Guys, I always talk about celebrating your wins. Well, last night was one of them for me because as of this morning, I was able to check my dashboard and I had made a commission of $352. That's in one day. Now, maybe hard for you, some of you to believe, because that's not the kind of money most people make in one day with even some of these affiliate programs. But I'm telling you, if you find the right product, you can do that. Now, according to the title of this video, I did take the Travis Stephenson course. I will tell you I've taken other courses as well. And some of the courses are okay and you learn a lot, even from Travis's. But there's still stuff that's missing because you could really be making more money off this program and other programs based on doing product reviews. In other words, if you're doing product reviews for Amazon and you're making money on on-site commissions, why aren't you making money on YouTube? Why aren't you making money on TikTok? You know, there's a lot of different ways to do it. But the whole point is this, is taking one product, okay, and not a want, but a need, and finding somebody that needs that product, selling it over and over and over again. And that's the whole thing. Once you figure that out, you're on your way to the races. So I can't emphasize it enough. Travis Stephenson's course is good. I did learn some things from it, but if you're not familiar with being an influencer, and I highly caution people who get involved with the program, it's not just about setting up a page and you know, leaving it to be afterwards, or setting up a YouTube channel and leaving it afterwards. In other words, a lot of these programs say, well, you don't have to be an influencer and just, you know, get your followers and then get approved. There's a little bit more than that. If you really want to be in the game and avoid the idea of possibly being banned, because in some cases, if your social media account is dormant for too long, they may let you go. And you don't want that. And mostly because there's a lot of opportunity here. The problem is there's no real shortcuts in anything. So I did create my own little course. The big difference between me and the gurus is, number one, I've created something pretty affordable, but at the same time, you can contact me. I'm easy to get a hold of. A lot of these gurus are hard to get a hold of anyway. They've got other things going on. And I don't discount the idea that they've built, you know, an empire. But here's the thing. I've learned a lot from it and from a lot of different courses, so I will give you some idea of what else you can do to build a presence and do it in a way that's easy. Again, when people ask me the question, do I have to show my face? Do I have to show my face? You should show your face. After all, you are an AKA influencer. So you need to do that, at least in the beginning. And there are videos that you're going to do for products that maybe you won't show your face. But I would definitely say in the beginning, I would show your face. So with that being said, the Travis Stephenson course, it's good, but as I said before, I feel like there's parts that are just missing. And if you're new to that type of platform and selling on Amazon, you may be missing out on a little bit more. Again, I'm not going to discount it. He's got a good course, but the big difference between him and a lot of other folks is probably the same, which is a lot of these guys, they put these courses together and they try to funnel you to another course that costs even more money that maybe has nothing to do with that course itself. The whole idea is to funnel you to different products. And so I can't be mad about that because it's a smart way to do it. With me, I'm not going to have you sit you through a webinar. I'm not going to have you worry about giving me your email address or things of that sort. Listen, you want to get in the program, you want to get started, you want to have real questions, you want to get a hold of somebody who knows about the program, who's actually been making money on it. Let's win together. If you want to know more information, head to the description box below.